your headlights are lying to you. Right now, somewhere in your driveway, your car is quietly costing you thousands of dollars, and you don't even know it yet. Foggy headlights aren't just an eyesore. They're a financial trap dealerships, and shops have been exploiting for decades. And tonight, you're going to see exactly how deep that trap goes. By the time we hit number 1, you'll understand the $5 German secret that makes every single other option on this list look like a scam. And if you click away before we get there, you're walking straight into the same costly mistake that's draining wallets across the country. Stick with me, because what you're about to learn could save you hundreds, maybe thousands, and protect you from a nightmare you never saw coming. Number 7. The dealership replacement, priced at over $1,000 per headlight assembly. You walk in worried about your foggy lights, and the service writer shakes his head like you just brought in a dying patient. New assembly, OEM part, labor included. That's your quote, and it sounds official, so you nod along. But here's the betrayal hiding in that invoice. On models like the 2015 Honda Civic and the 2013 Toyota Camry, that yellowing is almost always surface oxidation, not a failed assembly. You're being sold a brand new organ for what is, in reality, a skin condition. Owners on forums report paying $1,500 to $1,400 per side, only to watch the new lens start clouding again within 2 years, because nobody addressed the UV exposure causing it in the first place. That's not a repair. That's a subscription to regret. Number 6. The $200 professional detailing package that promises factory fresh clarity. You book the appointment, you drop off your car, and you pick it up looking incredible. For about 8 weeks, shops love this service, because the margins are enormous and the comeback rate is built into their business model. Consumer Reports has flagged that the vast majority of standard restoration jobs lack a proper UV-resistant sealant, which means you're paying premium money for a temporary fix. Within 60 to 90 days, that haze creeps back, and you're staring at the same ticking time bomb you started with. Except now you're $200 poorer. Multiply that over a few years, and you've spent more than the price of a brand new headlight assembly chasing a fix that was never designed to last. That's not detailing. That's a money pit with a smile. Number 5. The viral chemical hacks, bug spray, WD-40, even Coca-Cola. You've seen the videos. Instant transformation. Foggy to crystal clear in under 3 minutes, and the comments are full of people losing their minds. What they don't show you is the follow-up. Bug spray strips away the protective coating on your lens entirely, leaving raw plastic exposed to direct sunlight, and within 2 to 3 weeks owners report their headlights looking worse than before, sometimes aging a full year in days. WD-40 is even sneakier. It fills microcracks with oil, looks amazing for photos, and then evaporates within 72 hours, leaving you right back where you started, except now your lens is coated in grime-attracting residue. One Nissan Altima owner documented this exact disaster online, and 3 weeks later he was paying a restoration shop $220 to undo the damage he caused trying to save money. That viral hack isn't a shortcut. It's a trapdoor. Number 4. Cheap aftermarket headlight assemblies from online marketplaces, usually priced between $80 and $150 a pair. The price feels like a steal compared to the dealership. So you click buy without thinking twice. But here's the part nobody mentions. These assemblies frequently fail beam pattern requirements, and several batches sold for popular trucks, like the Ford F-150 and Chevy Silverado, have been flagged for inconsistent lumen output and poor weather sealing. That means moisture gets inside the housing, fogs the lens from the interior, a problem no amount of exterior polishing will ever fix. And you're looking at another full replacement within 12 to 18 months. Worse, in some states, non-DOT-compliant aftermarket lights can cause you to fail your annual safety inspection, turning your bargain purchase into a registration nightmare. That $80 deal just became a $400 do-over. That's not savings. That's a gamble you were never told you were making. Number 3. Ignoring the problem altogether because it still works fine. This is the mistake that doesn't cost you money upfront. It costs you everything at once. NHTTS data consistently shows that reduced headlight output dramatically cuts your nighttime visibility, and foggy lenses can reduce light projection by up to 80%. That's not a minor inconvenience. That's the difference between seeing a deer, a pedestrian, or a stalled car in time to stop, and not seeing it at all. Insurance companies know this too. If you're involved in a nighttime accident and an investigation reveals your headlights were severely degraded, you can face liability complications and even claim disputes, because compromised visibility due to vehicle maintenance is exactly the kind of phrase adjusters love to write down. You're not just risking a fender bender. You're risking your safety, your insurance premium, and potentially your financial future in a single dark moment. Ignoring this isn't patience. It's a loaded gun in your glove box. Number 2. The premium UV sealant kits, often priced between $25 and $40, sold as the final step everyone needs. And here's the twist. They're not wrong, they're just incomplete. Most kits include a sealant that's genuinely UV resistant, but only if your lens was properly corrected first, with the oxidized layer fully removed before application. Skip that step, or rush it, and you've just sealed yellow plastic under a clear coat, locking the haze in permanently. Owners who've made this mistake report headlights that look glassy but still yellow, and the only fix at that point is to strip the sealant and start completely over, doubling your time and your cost. According to automotive researchers, roughly 90% of restoration failures trace back to this exact missing or misapplied step. You paid for protection, but without the prep work, you just built a beautiful prison around your problem. And now, number 1, the mistake that makes every single item on this list completely unnecessary. The biggest financial mistake you can make with foggy headlights isn't choosing the wrong product. It's not knowing about the German trick that mechanics overseas have quietly used for decades, while shops here charge you $150 to $1,000 for the exact same result. Here's the secret. Plain white toothpaste, not gel, the kind with real abrasive particles, gently breaks down oxidized plastic when you scrub it in small circular motions for about 5 minutes per headlight. You'll watch the yellow lift right onto your cloth. Rinse it clean, dry it completely, then apply a quality Carnauba car wax, buff it in, wait 10 minutes, and apply a second coat. That double layer of wax is the part everyone skips, and it's the part that actually blocks UV radiation the same way professional clear coats do, at a fraction of the price. German mechanics have used this combination for generations. Because it costs about $5, takes 30 minutes, and when reapplied every few months, keeps your lenses clear for years, not weeks. One subscriber sent in photos of a 15-year-old Mercedes with headlights so yellowed they looked orange. 18 months after this exact method, they were still crystal clear, while everyone else is gambling on $1,000 assemblies, $200 details, and sealant kits they don't fully understand. You're standing in your garage with a tube of toothpaste and a bottle of wax, holding the cheapest, most effective fix in the entire industry. That's not a hack. That's the trick that ends the cycle for good. If this video just saved you from one of these costly mistakes, hit subscribe so you never miss the next one, and drop a comment telling me where you're watching from tonight. And if you want your headlights to never fog up again, the next video shows you the 30-second monthly trick that keeps them crystal clear for good. Click it now before you forget.